How to find and see your relationship manager on Patreon. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your relationship manager easily and fast on Patreon. First thing, go to Patreon and log into your account. This is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is just click right here on patterns. After you click on patterns, it will take you directly to this page. And all what you have to do here now is so simple. Just click here on relationship manager. And congratulations, right here you will find all your relationship manager informations. And you can also download them from here if you want. Or you can clear from here. And also you can filter here if you want. Please, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the very end. Or see you later.